Yo, 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 what's poppin', all my peeps at the NSN? It's your champ, Patty Pitts, for another Haymaker highlight. This time we're in Georgia. The Devil went down to Georgia, and he was looking for touchdowns to steal. This time, firing into the OBJ. Jalen Hurts, first of many touchdowns of the game, as you'll see. And I don't know, what is he doing? What is OBJ doing? Well, he's doing a little army crawl. Nice. All right, well, now it's time for Mariota to tie this one up. Oh, he's going back. Oh, no, not looking good, and that one's going to be picked off by the newly signed free agent, Carlton Davis, and he's going to jump right over the tackler. Wow, what a play, and that's going to give the Jags some great field position to start. Yeah, the easy 14-0 lead. Can we get there? They do, thanks to DeAndre Hopkins with the score, making it a two-possession game. Just disrespectful throwing it off the helmet of the defender. Like, just talk about kicking you while you're down. Well, they're down, but are they out? All right, Cordell Patterson gets it, and he's going to dive right over the defender for the score, giving them it's 14-7. First touchdown of the game for him. Is it going to be competitive? Well, look at Brandon Hay. Yeah, he was like, oh, that was a good dive. I like that. 17-7, only holding them to a field goal on their last possession. As Mariota fires, and it's going to be picked off, this time by Christian Kirksey. Christian Kirksey, I think, is like first or second pick of the season. But they're going to give great field position, and we're only a minute into the second quarter. Jalen Hurts going to throw his third touchdown of the half, and he does so to Rashad Higgins on a slant route. Nice play. And this Jags team, when they're on, they're so good. Just look at this example. A nice little floater touch pass to Zach Ertz. Ertz to Hurts. A lot of pain in that connection as the Jags are just taking it to the Falcons, 31-7. And here's where we think the Falcons are going to rev it back up. Start of the second half. They're in the red zone. Are they going to knock it in? Nope, they're going to fumble it as it's picked up by the Jags. I have no idea who fumbled it, and as the backup, it is not Cordell Patterson. It doesn't matter because the Jags get the ball back in the red zone. Hurts is going to run around, and then as he's getting tackled, look at that pass to OBJ for the touchdown, his second of the day. Absolutely incredible. And yeah, you see the rough in the passer there. It doesn't matter how you get him down. He's still going to throw the ball beforehand. And then here's the chance for Garbaggio time touchdowns or scores or whatever. But then it's Matt Milano with the sack. And that's pretty much all we got here in the Georgia Dome. 38-14, they do get a score. Jags are back in the winners column. Let's go.